If you're messing with thermostat power and wondering if you can use both batteries and a C-wire, you're not alone. This confusion pops up all the time. So, here's the scoop. Most modern thermostats are designed to run on either batteries or a C-wire, but not always both at the same time. Batteries usually act as a backup power source, keeping your thermostat running during power outages or when the C-wire isn't there. The C-wire, also called the common wire, gives your thermostat constant power straight from your HVAC system, which means no more worrying about dead batteries. If your thermostat supports a C-wire, it's usually best to use it for steady power and ditch the batteries unless the manual says otherwise. Always check the manufacturer's instructions because some models can handle both, but that's pretty rare. If you don't have a C-wire and hate changing batteries, you might want to look into adding one or using an adapter. Just remember, powering your thermostat properly helps avoid random resets or Wi-Fi drops, which is super annoying. Keeping your setup right means your heating and cooling work smoother and save energy too. One of the biggest thermostat power mistakes is assuming you can just slap in batteries when you have a C-wire. This can cause power conflicts or weird glitches, so it's better to choose one power source unless the manual says you can combo them. Another common issue is not checking if your HVAC system actually has a C-wire before buying a thermostat that needs one. If you don't have it, your thermostat might die on you or lose features. Lastly, ignoring manufacturer recommendations about power setups leads to frequent thermostat failures or inaccurate temperature control. Always follow their guide, and if something feels off, call a pro to avoid fried equipment. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without all the hassle. It also helps contractors get connected with people who need their skills, making home projects way easier for everyone involved.